Hello, in front of me I've got SHIDU M800. In this video I'll show you how to manage buttons. Firstly, take a look at the top of your speaker. Right here we've got the mode button, thanks to which we can change mode between aux, Bluetooth, USB drive and SD card. Here we've got the button, thanks to which we can change change song to previous or change volume. Thanks to this button we can turn the speaker on and off or play or pause. Thanks to this button we can skip to next track or increase the volume. Thanks to this button we can record our tracks. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.